Hello, I'm back with example number 3 of your activity A. In this example number 3, you are being asked to calculate the energy required to convert 1.70 grams of ice, originally at negative 12 degrees Celsius, into a steam at 105 degrees Celsius. You were given the following. Specifically, the mass of the ice is 1.70 grams. The initial temperature of the ice is negative 12 degrees Celsius. And now, the final temperature of the steam is 105 degrees Celsius. So, there are 6 steps that you need to do to arrive at the final answer. The first one is to find the heat required to raise the temperature of the ice from negative 12 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius. You will be using the formula mc delta T. So I use the specific heat of ice from our lecture as 2.09. You can use other values that you can find in or you were able to research. And approximately you are going to get 42.64. Second step, you are being asked to find the heat required to convert the 0 degrees ice to 0 degrees water. You are going to use the formula for heat, which is Q is equivalent to M delta HF. This is heat of fusion. I got a value of, since there is no value given yet to you, you can search in the internet. This one varies. You can have approximately 334 joules per gram. So you have 567.8 joules approximately. The third step is you will be looking for the heat required to raise the temperature of 0 degrees water to 100 degrees Celsius water. Of course, you will be using the formula mc delta T. I use the constant for the specific heat of water liquid, which is 4.184. If you use 4.186, there's no problem also. So substituting, you will get the value of 711.28. Okay, the fourth step is for you to find the heat required to convert 100 degrees Celsius of water to 100 degrees Celsius of steam. So, you will be using the formula Q is equivalent to M delta H vaporization. Okay, so substituting all the values. Again, since there is no constant given to you for the heat of vaporization of water, you can search the internet on this value. So, I use 2,260 joules per coulomb. Joules per gram. You will get this value. And then, second to the last step is to find the heat required to convert 100 degrees Celsius steam to 105 steam. You use the formula mc delta T. I used the specific heat constant of the lecture, which is 2.03 for a gas, now for gaseous water. So you have 17.26. And finally, adding up the 5 steps, you are getting approximately 5,180.98 joules. Approximately, or near this value.